If you're wondering how to edit an autoresponder sequence in GetResponse, you're in the right place. Editing an autoresponder sequence can make a huge difference in how you engage with your audience. Whether you're improving an existing sequence or setting up a new one, I'll walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes, so stick around until the end. There's something special I'll share about a better alternative for your email marketing needs. First, let's dive into how to access your autoresponder settings. From the GetResponse dashboard, go to the Automation tab in the top menu. Here, you'll see all your workflows. To edit an autoresponder sequence, click on Create Workflow or open an existing one you want to modify. Next thing, you'll need to select Autoresponder in the workflow type. You can either choose to start from scratch or modify one of the pre-made templates. It's easy to create a personalized sequence with GetResponse's drag and drop editor. If you're starting from an existing sequence, click on the sequence you want to modify. From here, you'll see each email in the series. Now, let's move on to editing individual emails within the sequence. Click on the email you want to modify, and you'll be taken to the email editor. You can change the subject line, tweak the content, or add new elements like images, buttons, or even dynamic content tailored to your audience. If you want to make sure the sequence flows well, you can adjust the timing of each email. You might want to send the second email a day after the first, or space them out more depending on your strategy. The fourth thing to remember is testing. After editing your sequence, it's always a good idea to send a test email. This helps you see how your emails will look in your subscriber's inbox and ensure all links and images are working correctly. Test as many sequences as needed to avoid any surprises once the campaign goes live. Now, let's talk about integrating other features. If you want to segment your list and send specific emails to different groups, GetResponse makes it easy to apply segmentation rules. You can filter your contacts by actions they've taken or by data you've collected on them. This is a powerful way to personalize your sequence even further. You can also set triggers, like sending an email when a contact clicks a specific link or makes a purchase. Lastly, before wrapping up, there's something I want to mention. If you're getting frustrated with GetResponse's learning curve or looking for a more streamlined solution, I've got a recommendation for you. Stay tuned until the end where I'll explain how you can access an exclusive and extended free trial for a software that can achieve even more than GetResponse when it comes to email marketing and automation. So, after you've finished editing your autoresponder sequence, hit Save and make sure your sequence is active. If you follow these steps, you should be all set to run your autoresponder sequence without a hitch. But remember, GetResponse isn't the only option out there. While it's good, there are other platforms that may suit your specific needs better. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So if you want something more powerful and user-friendly, make sure to check out our recommendations at the end. You'll also get an extended trial, so don't miss out. That's all for today's guide on how to edit an autoresponder sequence in GetResponse. Happy editing, and don't forget to check out those alternatives that might just be a game changer for your email marketing.